Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101. It's Super Bowl weekend and I'm going to show you how to make this 5-star beer dip. Yep, you heard that right. A beer dip using only 4 ingredients. You're going to need 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, a 1-ounce package of your spicy ranch salad dressing and seasoning mix. If you want to use the regular, you may. 1 8-ounce block of your cheddar cheese and 1/3 cup of beer. I'm using the original Budweiser beer. I'm using the real deal here today since it's the official beer for the Super Bowl. But if you'd like to use a non-alcoholic beer, you may. I'm going to use celery sticks and pretzels to serve with this beer dip. So let me show you how easy this is to make. I'm adding my cream cheese here into a medium-sized bowl. I just take a knife, cut it down the center, and make little blocks. It makes it a lot easier to mix. We're going to use that spicy ranch. And you may think this spicy ranch is going to make this really hot, like spicy-wise, but it doesn't, because that cream cheese and the cheddar cheese really cuts the heat on this spicy ranch. Add the beer. Now you may want to use more beer if you'd like it a little bit more creamier, but first we're going to mix it up and see how it turns out. We're going to start on low. I'm going to add a little bit more beer to mine. I'm going to like my dip a little smoother. Start on low so you won't go throwing your beer everywhere. Be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl. That looks absolutely perfect and I love the texture on that. It will hold nicely on your celery sticks and on your pretzels. Let me show you how we're going to grade this mild cheddar cheese. I like to hand grade my block of cheese. This way you can avoid the starch that comes along with the cheese already grated that you buy in the package. But let me tell you a secret about grating this cheese. Be sure to put your cheese in the freezer 20 to 30 minutes before grating. It'll make it a lot easier to grate nicely. And see how much that makes? You're looking for about 2 cups. So this 8-ounce package of cheese is going to give you this 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Grate it on parchment paper. It'll make it a lot easier just to lift that and add right here to your cream cheese mixture. Stir your shredded cheese in with your cream cheese mixture, and this is going to be absolutely fantastic. And I did save a little bit of my shredded cheese to garnish the top of my beer dip before serving. Let me show you how I serve it. Add a little bit of shredded cheese here on the top, just for looks, but not necessary. And I'm dying to give this a try. Let's go in. Let's see what it's like. I'm serving it with pretzels and celery, but you can serve it with tortilla chips or any other thing you can think of. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be good. Here we go. I must say, it's gonna be addictive. A favorite Super Bowl dip at your Super Bowl party. Or not. You can eat it any time of the year. Gotta try it with celery. I won't double dip. I'll turn it around. A favorite go-to dip. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. May your favorite team win. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos, and I'll catch you lovely people later.